In this EDS Site Builder tutorial, we're going to take a look at changing colors. We can change the color of text, such as these headings, or the body text. We can also change the color of the background of different boxes. So let's take a look. I've already launched into the Site Builder, so I'm ready to edit. First off, we'll take a look at this heading. Let's say we want to make it something like a dark blue. Just like we were going to edit the text, we can click in here, Edit Settings. We can go to the Style tab, and here's where we can change the color of the text. Click on that, and then I have freeform where I can just drag around, finding the basic color scheme I want, dragging in like that. If you happen to know what the actual hex values are, you can plug those in here as well, so you don't have to guess each time. But that just depends on what you have in terms of different graphic stuff. If you've got a designer you've worked with, or you've had a logo made and you want to match colors and they've given you those color values, you can match those up here. I like that. Hit save. And so now I've got a nice blue heading. I can do the same thing here. Click on that, style. And then let's say I'm going to make these a slightly different color, because say this page is about something that I want to use more colorful type of a presentation, not such a just a gray or black setup. Right, so again, you can just keep going through, making changes, getting your elements just right. And again, if you have a website with a number of pages, it's a good idea to use the same colors throughout. It doesn't have to be one color throughout, but in terms of headings, subheadings, and those sort of things, if you can match those up from page to page, there's a nice consistency to that. So that's a pretty good, what they call a best practice. Let's say I've got a need to have some boxes in here, and I want to use some primary colors. I'm going to add a row of 3 columns. I'm going to drag it in down here. And now I'm just going to go through each of those and affect the background color in this case. So we're going to start with a green, drag it over here, hit save on that. Background color. We're going to go with a blue, a lighter blue, I think. That looks cool. Hit save. And then on the third one, I'm thinking, a site that needs to be colorful, kids or school related. You can do something like that. And so without doing a whole lot of work, just a couple of clicks here and there, I'm able to change the look quite a bit and change the colors around. And again, you could do that to whole sections as well. So this covers a couple different sections, the photo on the left and the text on the right. If I change this, I could have a color, and then I can select a background color. Let's say we'll do something like that, just because we want to have it for our demo here. So now what I've done is I've separated this entire section from the background of the site by applying a background color to it. So have fun with colors, be consistent, and have them support your branding. Try to match your logo or other marketing materials that you're doing.